Hey, do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
Yes, the Muffin Man.
The one that lives on Drury Lane?
Nah, he moved to Elm Street. And now he makes keto muffins.
Blueberry.
Roll the intro. What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
My lovely wife and assistant. That's what I meant to say. Hey, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle, do me a favor. Click the red subscribe button below and then move over to the right and click the bell and then click the word all so you will always get updates when we make great ketogenic content on this channel. What's so funny?
Radio announcer.
I didn't go radio announcer, but like I said in the intro, Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man? Yes, he used to live on Drury Lane, but he was so dreary and
Because he was fat.
Yeah, because he wasn't cooking keto. Then he moved to Elm Street, didn't have the nightmares, but decided to make keto muffins. And that's who we are, the Muffin Men.
I'm not a man.
Yeah, anyway. Blueberry muffins on keto, who knew? And I asked a friend, one of our keto friends, just a little bit earlier today. I said, do you like blueberry muffins? And he was like, who doesn't? I was like, who doesn't? I was like, wow, okay. Hey, I've got a video coming out that's going to teach you how to make blueberry muffins, which is going to add to his lifestyle. And he said, I can't wait to hear that.
Hey.
However, here's something else we discovered. Susan bought these.
It's a game changer.
This is called silicone, and they're little molds and perfect. This is what we're using today for the muffins that we're going to do, the blueberry muffins. Now, there will be a link in the description below this video for the entire pack that Susan bought on Amazon. If you don't know this, we do have Amazon links down below. It's an affiliate link, so we get a little kickback with commission if you click on it and purchase things that we recommend that we use on the channel. Just a little something to try to keep the videos going. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, that link will be below us, and she bought like a slew of molds, cute little cupcakes, looks like bundt cakes and things.
Yeah, and the
things
reason
that look like a bagel bite.
The reason I bought them is because I saw a video where, well, you know, mug cakes. That's, you know, normally you get a mug and you put it in the microwave. Cup. Well, I was like, you know what? I have to make so many mug cakes for all 4 of us, 5 of us if my mom decides to eat something, which usually she doesn't because she doesn't usually eat keto unless I force her. Anyway, so I bought this so I could do like cupcakes in the microwave, and I have done it. I use this. Our microwave is big enough to fit this whole entire thing, and it spins perfectly, and so I made cupcakes in the microwave. Now I did toast them in the toaster oven after. This is not a microwave. I'm not showing you guys a microwave because some people think that's kind of weird, but what I'm showing you today, you can actually do the same exact thing in the microwave for 6 minutes, and then you can toast them in the toaster oven or toast them on broil till they get brown. Delicious.
Now, this is microwave safe?
Yes.
And you bought it for that?
Yes. That's
so
what I bought.
Are you supposed to use it in the oven?
Yes.
Okay, it was designed to just take some heat.
Yeah, it's designed for microwave, oven, whatever use.
Great. Okay, well, that's what we're using for the mold. Let's get cooking.
Okay, and on today's recipe, we're going to be using 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of sweetener. We use erythritol powder and some stevia drops, 1/2 cup of blueberries, and 2 teaspoons of imitation cake batter extract.
Here you go. Peep game on that, my friends. This is the muffin, and of course you saw the two little oddballs, the star and
Cute.
the heart.
You gotta show them.
The star and the heart. They saw it on the plate just now.
We had extra batter, so I was like, oh, you know what? I'm not gonna just chunk it or freeze it. So I put it in the individual molds, and here they are.
So those are the molds I was talking about earlier in the video that she purchased. It came in a pack of.
There's 5 different little molds.
But there's a bunch of them.
There's a small muffin. There's a big muffin. There's 2 loaf. Oh, there's 2 bagel.
There's a loaf.
There's 2 bagel.
Bagel bite looking things, yeah.
Yeah, and then these. And there's 4 each of these, which is really perfect for our family because we can just like make one little thing each and... Yeah, there you have it.
And we're the Dice family, and we approve that message.
Yes. Let's eat.
Okay, let's try the. Should we do the? No, is that chocolate?
Yeah, and I made.
Okay, that's right. Chocolate chip is in the 2. Okay, so what we'll do is.
I just threw some chocolate, and it kind of gave me an idea.
I'm just gonna have to try. This is a blueberry muffin.
It gave me an idea to do some chocolate chip muffins. Maybe chocolate chip muffins.
Holy blueberry, Batman! Wow. Hot.
And some of these are missing because the family already ate, and I didn't have to force my mom to eat one. She wanted to eat one.
The blueberry is like. Wait a minute. Okay, I don't like blueberries, so I'm not a fan of blueberries. Have you eaten blueberries? Like a lot of blueberry muffins?
Yeah.
Is the blueberry normally this moist and juicy? No, it's kind of like a. Or do you usually chew on the blueberry?
Chew on the blueberry. Anyway,
well, I'm saying, does the blueberry usually fall in your mouth?
Look, I'm gonna
whole?
No. Let me tell you what. The blueberry muffins I grew up on are the kind. Are the kind that are in the bag, and it has like freeze dried. It has freeze dried blueberries in it. Have you ever made a mix muffin?
I've never made anything in my life. What are you talking about?
Have you ever seen me make it? No, because you never went.
Freeze dried. Is that like what astronauts will eat in space?
Color of it.
Like blueberries? Okay, yeah. And I had one of those when I went to Huntsville, the Rocket Center. I had ice cream to astronauts.
Not the same. Anyway.
Okay.
So there's just like a little hint of a blueberry taste. It's not actually blueberries, but this is like amazing. What do you think?
Okay, so the chocolate chip in there just is popping out. Totally different from the blueberry. The blueberry is a different experience.
Oh, I'm still making chocolate.
The blueberry is a different experience because it has permeated the entire muffin, and it's like it's just a blueberry explosion in your mouth. This one here with the chocolate.
And I'm gonna have to say that the cake batter, the imitation cake batter flavoring, got it at Walmart. It really makes it cakey. It makes it taste like a cake almost instead of like a muffin.
The dad abides.
Anyway.
You
approve.
I approve. That is the video, my friends. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with anybody that wants to make some muffins that isn't going to make you fat. And they taste good as well. And don't forget the link for the molds are down below in the description. The other thing I was going to say was...
And also, Byron will put the, what do you call it, nutrition facts.
Will I?
Yes.
Will I really? We'll see.
He's got to get better with that.
Okay, so until next time, remember guys, keep it Drury Lane. Keto.
Oh, Byron.
I wasn't expecting that one.